The 11th blended learning tip I want to share with you is on tracking. We talked about different strategies you can use to manage students, but let's specifically look at strategies to track students when each student is on a different activity. The strategy I use can be both done electronically and in paper form. Let's look at the electronic version first. Tracking students using a mobile device is as simple as using a spreadsheet with their names and the activities on it. When a student masters an activity, you can change the box color, or if a student is still working on the assignment, you can turn the box another color. If an electronic version doesn't work for you, a paper version is just as easy. And for some reason, the clipboard in my classroom gives off some type of magical vibe that says you better get to work. I have a clipboard. With a roster sheet, you can create a printed version of the spreadsheet. I write assignments down in the boxes next to the students' names and highlight them with different colored markers each day. For me, this is the easiest way because it allows me to see how many days students have spent on an activity. You may be asking, why would we track our students in a blended learning classroom? Why would we give ourselves an extra job of trying to keep track of where every single student is at every point in our classroom? Well, I think you'll find that once you start implementing a blended learning environment, that students need some kind of structure. And without that tracking on the teacher's part and keeping track where every student has gone and how much time they have spent on that activity, I think you're going to find that a lot of students will try to slack and not do what they're supposed to be doing. So the tracking, whether in electronic form or in paper form, really helps alleviate that problem.